upgraded on a upgrade ya, upgrade ya. Let me tell you, upgrade ya. In today's video, we are doing a unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark III. I'm gonna tell you the price of this baby, and I'm gonna compare my iPhone 11 to this Canon. I'm gonna show you my new memory cards because I did thorough research on the best memory cards for recording YouTube videos. As well as I'm gonna tell you why I went with the Mark III instead of the Mark II. So if you wanna see my new camera that I upgraded on them with, then continue watching. Hello beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. Hey soul family, hey! How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And so you guys, I got my new Canon G7X Mark III at Best Buy. That's why it has this sticker for pickup on it. And this camera retails for $750. So let's get straight into the unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what they got in here. You guys, I've been holding off opening it. I had this camera for like 4 days. And so this is how it opens, okay.
Right here is registration, warranty, and instruction manual, and I'm just skipping to the good part, to the product.
So this is the battery. That's how it looks. And it just folds out like this, like how to charge it. And then right here, the camera's under here, I guess. Let's pull that out. So it's empty now. Empty. Battery. Goes right in there. This is the little cord to go on the camera. And then this is the camera. You guys. Okay. And so it has this lens that you flip up. I am officially a YouTuber. So right now I'm about to put this memory card inside of this camera, but first I'm gonna tell you why I got this memory card in the first place and how much these memory cards cost. So the memory cards that I got is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. So I got the SanDisk because they said that the SanDisk is the best memory cards to buy, period. And I got the Extreme Pro, this one right here, because they said that the Extreme Pro, because it comes in a whole bunch of different kinds of like the SanDisk, like which ones to get. They say the Extreme Pro is the best one to get when recording like your videos and just even snapping pictures. It's just really, really good. So I just basically separated into two instead of getting one with 256 gigabytes. I got two with 128 gigabytes. And I got these for $40 each at Best Buy. So I've heard stories about people's SIM cards failing them. So I think it's very important to get the best quality SIM card and definitely get two so you can have backup just in case one fails you. So let me charge this battery and I'm gonna figure out how I put this SIM card in this camera, and I'm gonna charge it up a little bit and I'm gonna come back and show you how I put it in and show you the quality of the iPhone 11 compared to the Canon G7X Mark III. I'll be right back in a second. So I'm back and it charged a little bit. So here is the memory card, and so it comes in this little pouch, so that's good when it's not, you know, in your camera. You can put it in this pouch. So here it goes in this bottom and it says lock and open. So we're just gonna flip that and it's gonna pop right open. It just pops open. And then it's a little slot right there in the back. We're gonna put that right in there and you face it up, forward, and it snaps right in. So both of them snap in like that. And so when you close it, you have to lock it back because it's not gonna stay locked. There we go. And so this is my first time working a camera. I'm not into technology, so I don't know a lot. So we're gonna take, this is the on button. This is, I guess, the dials to, I'm gonna figure that out later. And I guess this is the zoom. So let's turn it on. Oh my God, it's on. And so it has these settings. So let me do the settings and I'll be right back. So I figured out how to do it. And so right here, it says auto right here. And so you have to turn it all the way to the camera thing right there. That's like the camera. It looks like a camera. And then we have the, you know, where I could see myself. What is that called? So let's press record. And so right here, this is the lens right here of me touching it. And then this is the lens over here of, this is my iPhone over here. And then this is me. Y'all tell me. I'll see when I look at it later, which one I like better. And I will tell you. But I'm pretty sure I like this camera better. It looks really clear to me. You see them young two bumps over there? Let's see if this camera compared to that one. Y'all know that TikTok where they be like, I'm on your side of your town, lit, 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 lit. Mommy's turning up because it's time to turn up, love. Because I got a new camera. What y'all think? You see that bump? I tried to cover it with makeup.
I got it with makeup.
I'm shifting big time, so my face is bumping out,
Yeah.
breaking out.
Yeah.
But who cares? I'm a model. I'm a supermodel. I'm on your side of your town, lit, lit, lit. Hey, I'm litty in the house because I got a new camera.
Now I can get you hot.
Molly, 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 Molly.
Molly.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so let's stop this. So yes, that was the comparison. And so I just wanted to show you guys how it goes on a tripod. And if you want to know where I get my tripod from, just let me know down below because I will show you. Because it goes on your tripod. I was kind of wondering like, how does that work? So let me show you. My tripod / ring light right here. And that's a big girl jumping over there. But yes, I unscrewed this a little bit because it's hard working with two hands. So you're just going to unscrew this part out of there. Fell down. Okay. And so your cameras have a little hole at the bottom. And so you just screw this on there. So let me screw this on with two hands because I don't want to drop this camera. And then I'm going to show you how it looks. This is how it looks. I'm in there. I'm in there. So now it's time to get into the portion of why did I get the Canon G7X Mark III instead of the Mark II. Because you guys, they have an option where you could buy a charger to charge this camera instead of using the battery. And as a lot of people may know, and as you might see in this video, I'm not technology savvy, like cameras, phone, all that stuff. I don't really know how to use it, and I'm not really good at charging like earpods and stuff. I like to just plug my headphones in the phone, you know what I'm saying? And so the fact that you have to charge things to use it is kind of a bummer. So the only thing is you have to buy it separately. It costs like $150 to buy the charger, but you can buy like a $20 Amazon charger and it works just as good. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy me a charger so when I'm sitting down recording my videos that I don't have to always have the battery charged, that I could just pull out my cord, plug that mug in, and I'm good to go. So that's why I did it. And it does not come with your order, the charger. You have to buy it separately. So that's a bummer, but it is a plus, and that's why I got this camera.